Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 2 of my March series, Crochet Life Hacks. So if you didn't get to see yesterday's video, I'll kind of give you a little recap about what this month's video series is about. So these are not hacks for crocheting. These are things you can crochet to be life hacks. So basically what that means is these are little items that you can make that would make your daily life a little easier. So today's tip is from, let me see, Snappy Tots, snappytots.com, which I love that name. And this is an ice scraper mitt. So what's an ice scraper mitt? Well, if you live in the South, you might not know, but up here in the North, we frequently have to scrape our windshields to get this snow and ice off of them. And your hands get so cold when you're doing this. So even with gloves on. So this is like a mitt that fits right over the handle where you're holding onto it, and it covers right over your hand. So this is a really great idea. I think that she was brilliant to think of this. It looks like the designer here, I just want to see, Heidi. It looks like Heidi started off making these for family members as gifts, and then decided to write the pattern and offer it to us for free. This is a free pattern. It is coming from her website. So there are going to be some ads on the side, but I haven't found it to be any kind of a problem at all. I'm going to take a couple of screenshots here so that you can see what it looks like on the website. But the pattern is definitely there, and let's see, I'll give you some more information. It uses 100 to 150 yards of Bernat blanket yarn in the super bulky weight. And the finished mitt measures 11 inches long by 8 inches wide, and yeah, there's really not a lot more to it. The directions are here. They look pretty easy to follow, pretty simple, and I hope you enjoy making it if it's something that you're interested in. As always, there's a link in the description box below. You can just go down there and click. It's going to take you directly to this Pinterest board. All you have to do is click on the picture of the pattern you want to make, and it'll take you right to that pattern. No falling down any rabbit holes of blogs or anything like that where you have to scroll and scroll and scroll. These are going to take you right where you need to go. All right, so that's going to do it for day 2. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this series so far. Are you eager to see more? I'm happy to put these out there, so I hope you are. All right, in the meantime, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for another great idea. Bye-bye.